Now let's express 9 on 4 raised to 9 on 4 in the form of x over b with t. Okay, so we want to write this one in a set form, something like this. Okay, so let's be very careful here. We shouldn't rush. Now we have 9 here, we have 4 here, and we can say that 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. Okay, so we can write this one as 3 squared on 2 squared all raised to 9 on 4. Now, when we have a to the power n on b to the power n, it is same as a on b all to the power n. So we can say that 3 on 2 all squared. So we've taken the squared out. But don't forget we have 9 on 4 over there, so to multiply. So we have 3 on 2. So this side will be 2 over 1, 2 2, 9 on 2. So 3 on 2. So 9 on 2, 4 plus 5 is 9 on 2. You can write this one as that. Alright, so I will say 4 plus 5 on 2 here. Okay. Now, we can rewrite the same thing as, so 4 on 2 plus 5 on 2. Now when you have a to the power n plus m, the same as a to the power n times a to the power m. So we have 3 on 2 raised to 4 on 2. That is 2 times 3 on 2 times 5 on 2. Have this information. Now, this one squared is 9 on 4. Have 9 on 4. Because you squared everything, this one squared 9, 4 times that, times 3 on 2, all raised to 5 on 2. Okay, so we have 9 on 4 times 3 on 2. So we can split this one. 5 is the same as 2 plus 3 on 2. So 9 on 4 times 3 on 2. So we can write this one, okay, in the form of this. Alright, so it will be 2 on 2 times 3 on 2 on to the power. We have 3 on 2 to the power 3 on 2. Okay. Now, remember this side is 1, so this one remains as it is. So we have 9 on 4 times 3 on 2 times 3 on 2 raised to, so look at that. So we have 3 on 2. So with the 3 on 2, we can make it 2 plus 1 again on 3. So this time that will be 27, 4 to 8. Okay, so you can write this one as 3 on 2. So, oh sorry, this side is not 3, it's 2, not 3. This side is 2. So we have 2 on 2 again times 3 on 2 times 1 on 2. So this side is 1, 27 on 8 times, so 3 on 2 times. So we can write this one as 3 to the power half on 2 to the power half. So 3 times 27 will be 81. 81 on 8 times 2, 16 times. So 3 raised to the power half. So when we have a raised to the power half, the same as square root of a. So 3 to the power half will be square root of 3 on, so this side will be square root of 2. Okay, so remember we are working towards something over that with that. Okay, so we are almost there. So 81 on 16 times 3 on 2. So let's rationalize this side. 2 on 2. So we have 81 on 16 times 3 times 2. This time that will be 2. Okay, so have 81 times this on that. 16 times 2 will be 32. So 81 on 32. So this time this will be 6. So that's the final. So this one, 9 on 4 raised to 9 and 4 is the same as that. Alright. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. Alright.